What's up, y'all? It's your boy, Black Awa, and welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Black Awa. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a grilled chicken lettuce wrap, and you're saying to yourself, like, oh, what are you going to get in there and make a beaten wrap with some lettuce? No, I'm talking about making some chicken and putting it in some lettuce, and kind of using this lettuce like a tortilla. I'm going to show you what I'm talking about, Big Daddy. So, first thing you're going to do, you want to make some grilled chicken anything. Got to have that chicken at yard daddy. So, I got some chicken thighs today because you know me, buddy, like the thick thighs. Now, take those thick thighs and we're going to take our pan and get it hot to trot just like you good looking. Now, take a little butter. I can't believe it's not butter. Fabio's out there. I don't even know if it's that because that's too. So, I'm going to take some butter and line the bottom of my pan so my chicky don't sticky. Now, put your chicken in there and we want to put just a little salt, just a little bit of salt. And then maybe a little lemon pepper, just for flavor. So, put that in there. We'll flip it over a couple times until it gets golden brown. Take you about 10 or 15 minutes or so don't get too busy watching old Point Break with Gary Busey. Now, we've got our chicken looking pretty good, golden brown, delicious, nutritious. Take it out and we're going to shred it, man. And I'm not talking about shredder and them turtles. I'm talking about we're going to take this and we're going to shred it apart, and it should come apart pretty good and be so juicy and delicioso. So, we've got our chicken buddies. And you know, I went ahead and cut up a white onion here, and I'm going to put that on my stuff. I'm also going to use some kidney beans with just a little Catalina dressing. Now, I went ahead and got some lettuce, and you're saying to yourself, like, oh, is that garden fresh lettuce? Did you grow it in your garden, well, buddy? It's March. Ain't nobody got no garden, and even if it did, you know me. Ain't got time for that shit. Got this from the store. It's that foxy lady. So, we're going to go ahead and take that, put it down, put our little chicken nutty right on top of that deal. Then, put a little bit of the beans, because you mean they're sounding like a truck hitting a Jake brake, you know what I'm talking about? Buddy boy, so go ahead and put your onions on top, make your breast milk good for your date tonight. And then, just for a little extra flavor, let's add some Parmesan cheese just to give a little extra texture, extra flavor. It's so good even the dog wants some. So we got to go because I'm ready for a sight and a big old bite of this chicken lettuce wrap tonight. You know what I'm talking about, Daddy? Yeah. I'm getting mine first, you old puppy dog, you. Alright, buddy, the time has come. My chicken lettuce wrap is done. And I'm having that first bite for myself. Now, something tells me I'm going to be dropping something, but something else tells me it's going to be worth every bit of it. So, see how I go about this thing. See, dropping already. Mmm. Ooh. Ooh. Oh. You know, that's a fresh dish. That lettuce in there, man, and just some grilled chicken, not overly greasy, just a little flavor on top. With the texture of the beans, the fresh onions, and that Parmesan giving a little something to it. So, that's a good one right there, buddy. A real good one. So, I want to thank you, real good ones, for stopping by another episode of Cooking with Black Awa. Make sure to like and subscribe and follow me on social media. And also watch all my other cooking videos right here on my YouTube channel. Now, you'll excuse me. I have to wrap this one up and begin another. So, see you next time.